Assalamu alaikum dear guys. Today we will discuss about gaseous exchange in human body. In human body there is a well-developed respiratory system which is adapted for the terrestrial life of human beings. In human respiratory system the gaseous exchange occurs very smoothly between the human body and surrounding, or between human body and environment. The human body respiratory system is mainly divided into two main parts: air passageway or air passageway and lungs. First, we will discuss about air passageway. Air passageway is the connected tubes through which air passes in respiratory system and reach into the blood. And from blood, the carbon dioxide re-enter to that passageway and reach to outside environment. This passageway consists on nostrils, nasal cavities, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli and capillaries. Capillaries. Our nose consists to external opening. These external opening is called external nostrils or nostrils. They lie on the ventral side of the head. After the nostril there is a cavity called nasal cavity. This allows air from outside. The nostril allows the air to enter into the nasal cavity. In the nasal cavity there are mucous membrane and hair. The mucous membrane secrete mucus, and both hair and mucus help in cleanness of air. They make the air warm, moisten, and make it dust free. After that, the nasal cavity lead into second part of air passageway, which is pharynx, and the pharynx is about 4.5-inch long muscular structure. It is also lined by mucous membrane. In the pharynx lead into larynx. Larynx is also called voice box, and it is the third part of the air passageway. The cavity of larynx is also lined by the mucous membrane. At the back of the pharynx there are two passings, one open into esophagus on the dorsal side and the other opens through the glottis into trachea on its ventral side. The glottis is guarded by a lid-like structure which is called epiglottis, means that help in covering it. It works like a cover, like a lid. The larynx after that open into trachea. Trachea is also called windpipe, and it is a tube-like structure made up of 16 to 20 C-shaped cartilaginous ring which prevent it from collapsing and keep the passage of air open. It lies to the ventral to the esophagus and extends to the chest cavity. The inner surface of the trachea is contain mucous membrane which secrete mucus and cilia insulated. And this mucus and cilia help to filter moisture and warm the incoming air. As the air enter to that part, they become moistened, filter and warm by the help of mucus and air. Inside the thorax, the trachea divide into two branches. Each branch is called bronchi. Each bronchus lead to its own side of lung, and this is the fifth part of the respiratory air passageway. The bronchi also, like trachea, possess cartilage, but it is smaller than that of trachea. The bronchus enter into the lungs and then divide and subdivide into smaller bronchi. When its diameter reach into 1 millimeter or less, then they are called bronchiole, and it is the sixth part of uh, air passageway shown in figure. Bronchiole have no cartilage. Each bronchiole have a duct on its tip, and on the tip of each bronchiole there is a cluster of grape-like shaped structures, and each pouch of that grape-like structure is called alveolus. The plural of the alveolus is called alveoli. Around the alveolus or alveoli is a capillary network where the exchange of gases occur, means carbon dioxide from blood enter into the alveolus, and from alveolus the oxygen enter into the blood. This occurs due to the high concentration out and outside of oxygen and inside carbon dioxide in the blood.